My challenge to all of the athletes sitting in front of me today is to not take this responsibility lightly. Continue to strive for greatness. Be coachable. Give your best effort in every endeavor you choose to undertake. Be humble. Be a great teammate. Believe in yourself. Be a problem solver, not an excuse maker. And most importantly, glorify God in action and in truth, and use your participation in sports as an act of worship to Him.
The person who excels in his or her work or their school life didn't get there by accident. They got there by developing excellent, regular habits. So, congratulations to those of you who do receive an award today. We know that you didn't get there by accident.
What is your goal for next year? Do you have an ambition to actually make improvement? Because that's what life is about. Life is about setting goals and targets and then working hard to achieve them. And we acknowledge not just achievement, but we also acknowledge those who have made improvement. And I hope that for all of you, as you think about this year, you can look back and say, okay, I didn't manage to achieve a certificate today, but I know that I have made significant improvement from where I was at the beginning of the year.